This video, I'm going to go over a multifunctional portable air compressor. I'm just kind of like looking over it here. The power is a 120 watt. The flow is 30 liters per minute. I guess that's liters. Max current is 10 amp. Max air pressure 150 psi. And this is a cordless, and you can see it's great for cars, scooters, bicycles, and basketballs. Let's just open it up. Okay, we'll just unbox it here. You get a little user manual there. A pretty small little cord. I don't think, they said that's 3 meters. Well, that's definitely not a 3-meter cord. I would say that's probably 8 inches on the cord. A USB-C cable, a little basketball needle, and some Presto valve, tool inflatable, some toy inflatable. Oh, I like the little bag. Here's the unit itself. Now, I already had this unit out and used it. And then here's a little bag that it all comes in. So there's your bag. We'll put this aside. You hold this button down, the power button, it's going to go through right there. You can see the different modes. Now, I've already used this. I had a car tire that went flat right when I got this thing in, and it worked perfect. I aired the car tire up. It took a few minutes. It probably took about 3 minutes. I got the car tire aired completely up to 36. It did stop. I also had a small bicycle, and I aired my bicycle tire up, and it worked just fine on the bike tires. And the way this works is you're going to screw this down right like that. And then you can go through, there's a light. There's a little LED light that has several little modes to it. There's a plus and minus. If you want to do kind of a custom, you can go up and down right there. And then if you want to change it, you hold this down. Now it's bar. Hold it down again. KPA. Hold it down. Now that's a custom. And then hold it down one more time. kg, centimeters. And then hold it down again, back to PSI. Very impressive. This is one of the better little units I had. Super compact. I'll be putting this in my bike bag, so I have it with me while I'm traveling or doing anything like that, and then I'll put it under my car seat. I like something nice and compact like this. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the yotruth. I think that's what that is. You know, air compressor. See you all in the next video.